Ka Sarkar Jela kala pendep ya ke Kamban Jied ya Vice Chancellor ke Captain Williamson Sangma University bat kadang up ya ke jingmon jur jong ulat ke Jela na ke benta ban yok tungkam no da ke Sarkar Jela bat ban yok pak ya ke Siti tungkam sya kibala sya Jied ya tu Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Rakkam Sangma. Ke Sarkar Jela ke tungkam hadu sispa Andrew Teli Kipos hapok ke Captain Williamson Sangma State University. Na ke benta ke Shillong Campus country kam napok ke Government College jong ke Engineering hamaulai. Kat ba sispa teli kipos kinde na ke benta ke Garo Hills, Indriu teli kinde na ke benta ke Shillong Campus, pat ke Sarkar kan haban pelot palat sa posan lak sisnem. Kam haswa Menteri ke Pulih Putih ulak pentibru ba kilat stang ya ke kam banyo ya ke jing itu napok ke University Grants Commission UGC.
Yeah, so with regards to the Captain Williamson State University, so we have already completed the process for appointment of the Vice Chancellor, and we have sent a file to the Honorable Governor Office, and once the Chancellor, being the Governor, approve the proposal, and we will be able to issue the appointment order to the selected candidate for the Vice Chancellor of the State University.
Can we know who the candidate is?
I just have to wait for the time. Let the process be completed first. And also, we have appointed a new principal for the Pine Mount Secondary School, Pine Mount School, Shillong. Yeah, I forgot the name, but Kong Nongbri is a new principal for the Pine Mount School, Shillong.